Welcome to our video. Let's add a Pay Online option to an invoice. Select New, and then Invoice. Make sure your payment options are turned on. If they are, you'll see them here. If not, go to Payment Methods and toggle on the payment methods you want to offer your customer. Then fill out your invoice. When you're done, send it to your customer. Your customer will receive an email with a link to pay your invoice using any of the payment methods you selected. Go to Deposit to see more info about the payments you're receiving each day. QuickBooks Payments combines all of the payments processed that day into a single deposit. You'll see each sale or payment that is part of the daily deposit along with the fees, which are charged as a separate transaction. It can take a few days for this money to show up in your bank account. When the money hits your bank account, you'll see your deposit in your transactions feed. If you have your bank account connected to QuickBooks, you just need to confirm it, and your books are up to date. You can also accept payments on the go with a QuickBooks mobile app. That's it. Now you're ready to start using QuickBooks Payments and get paid faster.